Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock a file on Google Docs. So if you want to share your documents on Google Docs to others, but you don't want them to have a full access to the file, or you don't want them to edit or do anything to the file, you can just lock it by following these steps, because there's no password or there is no such password security on Google Docs where you can set password to your file and lock from the others. But you can use this trick. First, you can go to this share button at the top, and in here under general access, change from restricted into anyone with the link. But then in here on their role, you need to make sure that you set them as viewer only, because when you set them as viewer, so they can only view the file but not edit or comment the file or the document. You can also add a specific person into the file, and then you can just tap on the copy link and then click on done. Then you can share the link that you copy to others, and they can open the file but not edit or comment it. So basically you lock the document from them. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.